Walaikum assalam rahmatullah. What is the minimum requirement for nikah? Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh. Can we remove the grave if that is in the path? Okay, let me answer the first question. What is the minimum requirement for the nikah? I don't know what you mean to say minimum requirement. If you are talking about the conditions, then conditions are different than the requirements. Because conditions are four. The boy and the girl both have to be Muslim. Second thing, girl should be with her wali. Third thing, they have to agree with the mahar. That mahar has to be given by the groom to the bride, and bride should be told that this is your mahar, and she has to agree with that. And the fourth is the witnesses. 2 witnesses are required. So these are the minimum requirements for the nikah. Guardian can be father or male family member, close family member from the girl's side who has no father alive.